the beginning of a new season, the time to restore Biafra has come. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, from wherever you are listening to Biafra Generation. It's a thing of honor to be with you people once again. There's a big issue now in Biafran land, and even though the Nigerian media would turn against it or turn back as if they didn't see anything, we're never going to turn back to pretend that we didn't see anything. We are seeing them and we know what they are doing. Biafra restoration is unavoidable. Unavoidable. I must tell you the very truth. Unavoidable. You must understand the very meaning and the very truth that is involved. Do you get the point? And this is the beginning of our dear Biafra called nation. 2 heavy gunship was sent to Biafran land to tackle ESN, IPOB, and the rest of the were lands that the Max wearing Buhari said that IPOB are just sports. They are sport. The military will handle them. You see, it's a declaration of war to Biafrans, because the more you say that you're not an IPOB member or you're a Biafran, you're a joker. Go and ask those that have been capturing. They'll just catch you and tag you on non-government or ESN, and they will just go to the bush and clear you. That is why the earlier you begin to support this struggle, the better for you. We are losing our people every day by day. Our people are missing. There was a report that 600 people have been killed since this brouhaha has started. And you still claim that you don't understand what these people want to do to us? You claim that you don't understand? You claim that you don't understand? Don't worry, soon you will understand. You will understand this very truth. And I hope you don't get late. 2 heavy gunships have been sent by this government. Not to defend our land, no. They never want our land to be defended for one day. They have never prayed that our land will be defended for one day. All they want is they want to see crisis in our land. That is why they first of all say that we don't love ourselves. That is the game. That is why they said we don't love ourselves. The Igbos don't love themselves. So what did they do? Because they see that the crisis is not coming, they send their soldiers, their police, everybody, DSS, SSS, and the rest of them to go and start causing problem. I heard that Abakari, one police CP, is the one who is abducting and killing our fellow brothers. But as my people always say, when the monkey go market, he no go come back. Our dear brother said I should tell you guys that you guys have been wonderful. He has gotten 400 subscribers, and it's because of you people that he got these 400 subscribers. He said I should personally appreciate you people. You can go to the comment section, he typed it there. And I'm very glad that we together, even by now I had expected that he would have gotten the 1,000 subscribers, but I feel that those that went to subscribe is those that love his content. I don't know, he's somebody that talks about Biafra, people would have gone and subscribed, but his own content is different. That's why we're helping everywhere. We're only going to help people that talk about Biafra. We're going to help everybody. So he said I should thank you guys, and if you have not yet subscribed, you can visit him, because we'll be ending any promotion for now, because we're just getting some information, but let it be. Thank you very much, and thank you on his behalf. Now, 2 gunship were sent to Biafran land for no reason, just to kill Biafrans. You must understand that in the thickness of the forest, ESN cannot be everywhere. For those of you who are waiting for ESN to help you, ESN cannot be everywhere. You need to equally use your sense. You need to use your sense. You need to use your sense. You cannot be working late at night when you know that the government has declared war against you. You cannot be working by 6 o'clock in the night. You are traveling at night when you know that they have declared war against you. We must be very careful. Very, very careful, I must say. You cannot be sleeping with 2 eyes when you know that the enemies are surrounding you. We must be very, very careful. Very, very careful, I must say. And the time has come. The era has come. The hour has come. For those who blame, who blamed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for not being there when this thing is happening, where are they now? I ask. Where are they now? I ask. Those who say that, where is Nnamdi Kanu? I wasn't there. Where are they now? Those who hated him, who criticized him, who wanted him dead, where are they today? Fano. That's the question of the day. You must understand and know the very knowledge that is involved. You must understand that the enemies are at your doorstep. They are inside your homes. What people are doing now is that they are aiming from betrayal. You sabotage. Curse be upon you. Curse be upon you that ye sunandina roaka kebo one nigmoki kebo one nigmai makego ogwego ego bala. Curse be upon you because you don't understand the consequences of what you are doing. I say everyone again, you go see fa and I try to get 20,000 in our church. A jebo one nigga. Do you remember that song? One nena abu galafia. Abirego. Gineme. If I june we bo one near. Makiego. Makiego wa. If I june we bo one near. Fajuna killed his own brother. Because of money. He wasn't ready to sacrifice what it takes to get Biafra. He felt that Ojukwu was lying. He felt that Ojukwu was the only one gaining that he needs to gain. And he betrayed his own people. Till today, history will never forget him. Curse be upon anyone who betrays his own brother. You remember the story of Judas? Judas did the same thing. You know how it ended. I know in every 12 there's a Judas. There's somebody in your house that wants to betray you. There's somebody in your house that doesn't like you. He doesn't like the way you are loved by others. I learned that somebody poisoned her sister because the father loves her more. You see the atom of jealousy. That's the kind of hatred they have towards Nnamdi Kanu. For no reason. I am Chioma Kobuza reporting live and direct from Biafran Generation Studio, Transylvania. We must keep intact ourselves. We must keep intact ourselves. We must tell this very story. And the very truth we give is beginning to come out and resurface in the face of the world. I, Chioma Kobuza, living with peace and harmony.